Welcome back to the channel. So today, it's actually just the same day, but while he's working on the change oil, I'm sure he's gonna be working on it. Let me discuss to you these lights that we installed. This is actually special because he's a special kid, right? So here's my phone, and if I go to an app, so I can control it on my app. So it's actually, here's one good thing about this. It's fuseless, and it's not, it's relayless. Relay meaning the traditional relay, but this one has a solid state relay. So we don't have any moving parts that will break. So solid state. So all you have to do is just connect your wires here, going to your lights and everything. So the only drawback is this has a minimum of 10 amperes. The good thing is that all our LEDs are even below 1 ampere, not even 1 ampere. So this is enough. No broken parts, no need to replace anything, and installation is very clean. I just had a fuse. I fused it and then went into the firewall. From behind the firewall goes behind the glove compartment, and then the wires of the light goes behind this weather stripping, then here, and then towards this original grommet, weather grommet, and then behind the glove compartment. So everything is hidden behind the glove compartment, so it's clean. So it still has this, you can still connect this, and then stick it with those labels, and you can still switch it from this one. But for us, I think having it on our phones is very convenient, especially when we are doing off-roading or in let's say camping, and then somebody just wants our lights, like a ditch light or the rear light, to turn on. I'll just go and here's your light, turn it on. So that's it. So that's our new upgrade on this Pajero. Anyways, hope you like it. If you want one, we have it in store. As if I have a store. I don't have a store. I just bought a few because I'm gonna put one on my truck. It's really, I really like this design because it eliminates, relay, so you don't have to replace them or even fuses. If it does short, it will cut off, but then when you fix it, it'll just gonna connect again. Anyways, hope you like this, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. So I think Ivan is still, I think he's sleeping.